Hi there, Michael Eskin here with another ABC Transcription Tools demo. I've added a new feature to the ABC Transcription Tools that kind of bridges the gap between instruments that are created with my Bagpipe Custom Instrument Factory tool and the ABC Transcription Tools. And the Bagpipe Custom Instrument Factory was a tool I put together to help develop bagpipe instruments specifically for the Celtic Sounds web app that's for use with the Warble wind controller. But these same instruments also can now be used inside the ABC Transcription Tools. So I'll put a link to this tool in the video description, but once you get there, you can actually just click on the question mark there and it'll give you full instructions for how to use it. But I'm going to just create a very simple model here. I'm going to just export a set of Northumbrian pipes. So I'm going to just go ahead and preview it here. And I'm going to export a Celtic Sounds custom instrument. And these are exactly the same as the custom instruments used for ABC Transcription Tools. We'll go ahead and save that out. And then I'll go over to the Transcription Tools here, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to install that custom instrument. All I'm going to do is just find it, and I'm going to just drag and drop it onto the work area here and assign it to custom instrument 1. And this is crucial, needs to be in custom instrument 1 for what I'm about to show you to work. And I'll go ahead and add a tune here to the work area, and I'm going to just strip out all the chords, and I just want to get down to the basic tune here. So we're going to just delete all this stuff. Okay, so I've got Alexander's, and what I want to do now is I want to use that Northumbrian pipe custom instrument with drones with this tune. So I'm going to just go to More Tools, I'm going to go to Other Tools, Inject Bagpipe Sounds, and there's a new option on this menu which is Custom Bagpipe Instrument Drones at D3, and I'm going to uncheck this hide drone voice checkbox just so you can see what's happening behind the scenes here, and I'm going to just click inject. And you can see what it's done is it's added a whole bunch of ABC. It's actually created a second voice, and that voice is a sustained note through the entire tune. So I'm going to go ahead and play this, and what you'll hear is that the top line, which is the melody, is played using the Northumbrian pipe chanter, but the second voice, which is the drone voice, is a seamlessly looping drone that was exported by the Bagpipe Custom Instrument Factory, and it'll just play seamlessly through the entire tune. So I'll give you one more example here. I've got another instrument that was exported from the Bagpipe Custom Instrument Factory, and I'm going to go ahead and just drag and drop it onto the work area here. And in this case, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to click Inject Bagpipe Sounds, and we'll do Custom Bagpipe Instrument Drones at D. And I'm going to go ahead and let it hide the drone voice just to show you what you'd actually get. And you can see it looks exactly the same over here, but this entire voice is hidden. And I'll go ahead and play this for you. So an interesting new feature, if you're into playing around with the Bagpipe Custom Instrument Factory and want to use those same instruments in the ABC Transcription Tools, you can now do that using the new option on the Inject Bagpipe Sounds dialog.